Wait, do not buy the Moto G 5G without watching this complete video. Hello guys, this is Devraj Chaudhary and you are watching Tech Nation. So let's get this video started. The Moto G 5G is priced at around 24,999 rupees in India and will be sold at 20,999 rupees. The phone has 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. It is powered by the new Snapdragon 750G CPU and includes the 619 Adreno GPU. Talking about the design of the phone, the Moto G 5G has a plastic back panel and is close to 10mm in thickness. The phone weighs 212 grams with a massive under the hood battery. The Moto G 5G has a square camera setup on the back with a fingerprint sensor. With the current trend for smartphone getting the headphone jack removed, the Moto G 5G doesn't do the same. It provides a headphone jack of 3.5mm, which is a great news for all the music lovers. Moving on to the display of the phone, the Moto G 5G comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a 60Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2400 by 1080p pixels. The display also have a punch-type front camera. Well, it would have been great if you could get the 90Hz refresh rate display. Coming to the camera section of the phone, the Moto G 5G has a setup of 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro lens and a LED flash which is also there. The front camera is of 16 megapixel for all the selfie lovers. Talking about the software of the phone, well, the software of the phone doesn't need any introduction as it comes with stock Android. Now let's talk about the battery. The Moto G 5G comes with a 5000 mAh massive battery and supports turbo power charging. The phone is a great one, however the company should have given more. The Moto G 5G might be giving us 5G connectivity, however it is lacking in the performance and feature department with the same range phones. The question comes down to, is the Moto G 5G value for money? Does the Moto G 5G provide us the best performance than its competitors? Well, the biggest competitor to the Moto G 5G is the OnePlus Nord 6GB variant, which comes at around 24,999 rupees. The OnePlus Nord has a 765G Snapdragon processor which includes the Adreno 620 CPU, providing a better performance than the Moto G 5G. The display of the OnePlus Nord comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and the back panel. It is a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080p pixel resolution. The touch response is of 180Hz. Oh, and yes, the OnePlus Nord also comes with a 90Hz display. Well, I guess the OnePlus Nord wins in this section too. Well, the OnePlus Nord is providing better performance and features in the same price segment. So guys, comment down in the comment section below as to whether you want the Moto G 5G or the OnePlus Nord. Also guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos.